What's up, YouTube? This morning, I have an African gray checking me out.
Hello.
Hello. How are you? Good morning. Hi. Yeah, supposedly it's the smartest animal on the planet. It can do like thousands of mathematical computation. Yeah. The African gray. Hi, baby. Hi. It's funny how we tend to copy them too, huh? Hi, baby. Yeah, this person has an incredible bird collection. I'm right off of 30th Street in North Park. Hi. Hello, good morning. I'm talking to you. Hi, African gray. It's checking me out as much as I am him, huh? Oh, dang it. Hi, baby. It's okay. Oh, look at. Hi. Alright, Big Tom Science. Signing off. Have a good day.